See, an ideal sourcing mix, it's always been felt that, and I think this is also beginning to change as you move along, is talent acquisition and internal talent management are beginning to come together a lot. So I think you're seeing this integration where recruiting is not at complete variance with how you are looking at your internal talent strategy. What numbers do you require? How are you preparing people to play leadership roles and different roles within the organization? So I think a great source mix, first of all, at an aggregate level, is that organizations will have a much better mix, perhaps 60-40. And I'm talking about stable organizations. I'm not talking about startups where you need to get expertise into the organization. Perhaps 60% of the talent will actually come from within the organization, and more closer to 30 or 35% will come from outside. When you look at external recruiting, once again, referrals have always played and should continue to play about a 35-40% part of the total kitty of where you source your candidates from. I think all the data, at least that I have seen, shows that internal referrals tend to be better quality of hiring, it tends to be cheaper hiring, and the time frames associated with it are a lot better. But I think more important than these percentages, 35, 35, 35, etc., is that you need to have a healthy source mix. And sometimes if all your entire dependence is just on one source, which sometimes companies can get into, where just one source is determining the entire majority of the hiring that you're doing, I think that's fraught with a lot of risks. And I don't know whether companies really have that anymore, but that's certainly beginning to change. Where a more balanced approach in terms of sourcing, where to some extent you're using social media, to some extent you're using recruiting partners, and to some extent your internal referrals and sourcing and networking. I think a healthy mix between these three is really what is required and what is beginning to happen.